Hello everyone, and welcome to our cooking tutorial. Today, we're going to make a delicious and easy to make breakfast dish, the toast egg sandwich. This dish is perfect for those busy mornings when you need something quick and satisfying to start your day. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about the ingredients you'll need for this recipe. 1. 2 slices of bread, preferably whole grain or rye. 2. 2 large eggs. 3. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. 4. 1 tablespoon of salt. Step 2. Prepare the eggs. This will be your egg mixture. 5. A handful of chopped parsley. 6. 2 tablespoons of butter. Now that we have our ingredients ready, let's move on to the cooking process. Step 1. Toast the bread. Place the 2 slices of bread on a baking sheet and cook them in the oven or under a griddle until they are golden brown and crispy. This should take about 5 to 7 minutes depending on the heat of your oven or griddle. Once they are toasted, set them aside on a plate. In a medium-sized bowl, whisk together the 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of salt, and the handful of chopped parsley. 7. 1 slice of cheese, your choice of cheddar, mozzarella, or American. Step 3. Make the egg sandwich. On 1 slice of toast, spread the egg mixture evenly over the entire surface. Set it aside for now. If you want, you can also place a slice of cheese on top of the egg for extra flavor and moisture. Step 4. Cook the egg sandwich. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes. Carefully flip the sandwich over and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes on the other side. Once cooked, remove it from the heat and serve it immediately. Step 5. Add some flair. Place the toast with the egg sandwich on a hot skillet or frying pan and cook it until the bottom is golden brown and the top is set. For an extra touch, you can add some chopped fresh herbs or vegetables on top of the egg sandwich. Feel free to experiment with your favorite options. And there you have it, a delicious and easy toast egg sandwich recipe that's perfect for a quick and nutritious breakfast. Enjoy!